I found the Lauren Ashtyn Collection on YouTube, and I'm so glad that I did.
It's amazing, so natural, coming everyone.
All right, what day is it? It's day 2.
It's day 2, which is Friday, and we've been doing some awesome makeovers in the booth today. These 2 ladies who purchased over here some full volume. This is the color LC full volume, and this is Giselle full volume over here. And then we've got some ladies over here trying on and everything. So we haven't been able to film everything because we've been so busy. But we'll get back to you.
All right, 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. Those are awesome. Back to my Swiffer.
I'll get back to my Swiffer.
Because that's what I did.
Good job, Hair Hunk. I should be filming you.
No.
Come on.
Nope.
Come on.
Because I can see your
Right, we talked about that. And talked about that.
We will secure this a little more so it's not.
They're 100% human hair, and they have all been hand knotted, and they're all hand colored.
Okay. I know, it's because you're gonna love the full volume. It's amazing. I started with the root coverage, and then I went to a full volume in the late 80s, and now it's like when I put a root coverage on, it's like, okay, I actually have to style my hair. But I love it because it does provide that volume right there for you. I mean, it gets lighter.
Actually, this one's already better going.
Gorgeous. Yes.
And there's like a blowout bar in the middle with like marble top on it and everything. So I'm so excited for it to be finished. They just finished our offices and we're moving in there. Well, our team is while we're actually here in Dallas. So then now they're starting on the salon. So whenever we do that, we're going to send a mass email out to invite everybody. So you should come. It'll be so fun.
Why not?
Yeah, why not? Y'all should make a road trip. It'd be so fun. Or y'all can fly there.
Alright guys, so I'm about to leave in my Uber to go to the show. My camera died yesterday, so I didn't get to show you guys as much as I would have liked to. So hopefully I'll get to film a few makeovers and show you guys in this vlog or in a separate video. So I'm just waiting on my Uber because I'm running a little late behind the rest of the team. That's really typical of Lauren Ashtyn behavior. So I will see you guys there.
What's up, guys? Y'all enjoying the Dallas show so far?
We love it so much.
Awesome. Awesome. Got a lot of good things happening.
Rocking it Texas style.
That's right.
Then you kind of feel like weird when it's not. Yeah, I'm getting so used to it.
Well, I have to wear it every day.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I tell everybody like if I
Do you ever not wear one?
every once in a while I won't wear one and I'll go somewhere, but like I look like a complete bum if I do that, you know.
Yeah.
Like if I've gotten ready, I always put my hair on. But if I do, I feel like I kind of feel the same way as if like I went out without a bra. Like
Right.
it's supposed to be there when I leave, so it's like weird when I don't have it on. I don't know.
Yeah.
That's how I explain it to people because it's like it's a push-up bra for your hair. It's just like you know, that looks so good. Okay, you got it ready?
Pretty good. Yeah.
I would buy it.
Right, yeah.
Alright, well,
Now that I have lashes, like this is how I feel about that.
yes, they can't go anywhere.
I'll look like a cat, like a cat.
So we're here at the Dallas market. And of course I'm being sent to go get some drinks for the team because they've been working all day. Everybody's packed, so I gotta keep them hydrated, gotta keep it cleaned up. But I'll take you on a quick tour real quick to see some pretty cool stuff. Why not? These massage chairs, it's pretty cool. I dig that. Oh, uh-oh.
will happen right now. She'll either say, hold on, or she'll either be ordering through the drive-thru.
All right, you want to go eat?
Yeah.
Got everything handled?
Yep.
Cool. Let's go.
Let me look at it. I want to look at the sodas and then we'll go.
Oh, I can't.
You like the color? Good. That's beautiful. Love it. All right, we're going to go grab food and then we're going to let y'all get food, okay? Perfect. Sounds good. Let's go.
Let's go through the furniture. I want them to just see
Through the
that.
furniture? Okay, let's do it then. Should we eat first, then go through the furniture?
Let's just do that real quick because I want them to see other things other than this.
Yeah. Yeah, we can't be in the other side because we're not furniture. Well, I got a pair of really, really soft pajamas, which is fabulous.
And I will see her tonight.
Oh my God, I have to have that. Oh, this is what I'm gonna get these for our new couch. I think I should get this for our new sofa. You like it? And we can put one of these little cute I wish we could find these. These would be cool for the office.
This is what I was going to get us.
I feel like we're gonna have to get this. I'm gonna have to send this to Fallon, our designer.